in today's class, we are going to see how to score 100 out of 100 in CS. So chapter wise ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೊ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ವೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು MCQsನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. So the chapter 3 is logic gates. The weightage of this chapter is 4 marks. So you will get 1 mark 1 question and 3 mark 1 question from this chapter. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 mark MCQsನ ನೀವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ 3 mark 1 question ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಿಂದ. So now let's see what is logic gate. So what is a logic gate? So logic gate is an electronic circuit which operates on one or more input signals. And always produces one output signal. So a logic gate another, it's an electronic circuit. So one or more input signals. So it will accept one or more input signals and always produces only one output signal. This is what we call it as logic gate. So in logic gate, we have two types. That is basic gates and derived gates. So this basic gates is further divided into 3 types: AND gate, OR gate and NOT gate. And derived gates are further divided into XOR, XNOR, NAND and NOR gate. Now let's see one by one. So in basic gates, the first gate is AND gate. So what is AND gate? So it accepts one or more input signals and produces only one output signal. When all the inputs are high, the output will be high. Otherwise, the output is low. So in logic gates, we call 0 as low, 1 as high. You can also call it as true or false. So the AND gate symbol is, so it accepts 2 or more input signals. So here it is accepting 2 input signals. I'll name it as X and Y. So it performs AND operation. That is, always the output signal is 1. So the output of AND gate is X into Y. So this is a logic symbol of AND gate. When it comes to the truth table, 2 input signals and the output is X into Y. So when we have 2 input signals, so the possible combination of inputs are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So what is 0 into 0? 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 1 into 1 is 1. So this is the truth table of AND gate when it has 2 input signals. When it has 3 input signals, so the logic symbol has 3 input signals, X, Y and Z, but always the output is 1, X into Y into Z. X, Y, Z, X into Y into Z. So when we have 3 input signals, so the possible combination of inputs is 8. So 2 power 3 is 8. So that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So the output is high when all the inputs are high. So hence we can say that the last combination inputs will get high as the output. So ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ 2 ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್, ಟ್ರುತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಅವರೇ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರುತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ 3 ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಆವಾಗ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ರುತ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ? ಸೊ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ MCQ from this definition. So gates definitions ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ MCQsನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಲಾಜಿಕ್ ಗೇಟ್ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ MCQ from this definition. So this is about AND gate. So let's see what is OR gate. So it accepts 2 or more input signals but produces only one output signal when any one of the input is high, the output is high. Otherwise, the output will be low. So there is a difference. AND gate ಅಲ್ಲಿ, so when both the inputs are high, the output will be high. But in OR gate, when any one of the input is high, the output will be high. So the logic symbol of OR gate is when it has two input signals, you have to write inverted C shape. So it performs addition operation. The logic gate, the truth table for OR gate is X, Y are the two input signals and the output is always X plus Y. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. When any one of the input is high, the output will be high. So likewise, you can write at it for three input signals X, Y, Z. When we have three input signals, possible combination of inputs are 8. So in the first column, you need to write 4 zeros and 4 ones. And in the second column, 2 zeros, 2 ones. And in the third column, single 0, single 1. It is easy to remember. See, when any one of the input is high, the output will be high. So this is about OR gate. So you can expect MCQ from this definition. The last type of basic gate is NOT gate. So this NOT gate is also called as inverter gate. It is also called as inverter gate. It is very important. In most of the examinations, they have asked which gate is called as inverter gate or what is NOT gate is also known as. So, avaga you should write inverter gate. So, in NOT gate, it accepts only one input signal and produces one output signal. Always it performs complementation operation. So here it accepts only one input signal. The symbol for NOT gate is inverted triangle. Always it will get the opposite of the input. The table for NOT gate is, so when we are having only one input signal, we have only two possible combination of inputs, that is zeros and ones. So when we have 0, always output will be 1, and when we are having input 1, we'll get output as 0. So this is about basic gates. In the next video, let's learn about derived gates and further concepts. Thank you.